Samaya,
What? I was sleeping.
did you do the speech?
A few moments later.
Do you know how much sleep you get during the night will affect how your day plays out? Well, sleep is beneficial for our physical and mental health and is needed to go through our day-to-day life. Without sleep, we crumble. As days go on, this issue continues to grow and is evidently neglected. So today, I will be informing you the negatives about the lack of daily sleep and how this evidence proves my reasoning. With these reasons being lack of sleep, anxiety, and our overall work drive. First, let's talk about lack of sleep. During the Industrial Revolution, many individuals started working more hours due to the more labor work laws, which is when the modern 8-hour shift started, aka the 9 to 5 shift, became norm. Along with this, the use of electricity became more common, ruining the healthy sleep patterns with the unnatural light. From this outcome, medical professionals realized the real value of sleep. This article focuses on trying to break up sleep into smaller intervals throughout the day. Dylan Scott calls it hack sleep. By doing this proven method, it incorporates a more healthy lifestyles for workers. People underestimate the importance of sleep by believing that less sleep is a good product of a more productive result. This restless culture is not the way to go, and it makes it more difficult for workers to get a good night's sleep. This lack of sleep not only affects the functional means, but can also create a long-term effect of deadly diseases. Secondly, let's talk about anxiety. According to the article, Why Is It So Hard to Get a Good Night's Sleep?, a survey conducted to do research on how patients sleep. This result showed that 81% either scored fair or poor. Participants said that due to this is because of overthinking and anxiety. Along with exercise and nutrition, sleep is now a fundamental part of people's physical and emotional state of mind. The author states that lack of sleep is the new smoking. This statement has now worried the minds of the readers because now they understand the real importance of sleep. This research has stated that cognitive behavioral therapy can and will refine sleep. They mentioned ways like brain breathe by letting the mind focus on movement and trying to release stress through keeping a clear state of mind. Third, let's talk about work drive. People usually say the more sleep you get, the less work you do, which is true in some cases, but Haley Hines mentions that sleep is worth getting time aside. Realizing the importance of prioritizing sleep is beneficial because the possibility of the decline in work performance. This can cause one's thinking skills to struggle and feel slow. An idea that is trying to be implemented in the future would be to prioritize quality over quantity in sleep. For example, breathing habits while sleeping play a big role and can eventually disrupt sleep. In this speech, I explain the negative effects of sleep and how it affects people's day-to-day by making it difficult to thrive in workspaces and their daily life. From lack of sleep, the inducement of anxiety, and disruption of one's work. All of these make sleep a beneficial component in our society today.